Girlfriend, have you ever wondered how to schedule a post inside LinkedIn? We're going to get to the bottom of this in today's video, and we'll see you on the other side. Hi there, my name is Ingafay, and I am an Authenticity Strategist. And in today's video, we are going to talk about what type of posts that you want to post to LinkedIn. Secondly, we're going to discuss how often you should actually post on LinkedIn. And last but definitely not least, we're going to take you through a step-by-step instruction on exactly how to schedule a post inside LinkedIn. You don't need a third-party app. You just need to use what you got in LinkedIn for free 99. Let's do this, shall we? So when you think about the post that you actually want to post on LinkedIn, you may be thinking, what type of post do I need? Well, I am a firm believer that you need only 3 basic types of posts if you are interested in building authority and really engaging with your audience. So the first post I'm going to recommend is a video. Now, this video can be a live video or it can be something that is pre-recorded, but it just needs to be some kind of video. Now, just know if you are using a pre-recorded video, LinkedIn is only going to allow you to upload a video that is 10 minutes or less. If your video is over that, you're going to have to use some kind of streaming app like StreamYard that will actually stream the pre-recorded video in and make it look like it's actually happening live. So those would be your 2 things. If you want it less than 10 minutes, you have no problem pre-record it on your phone or your computer and upload it to LinkedIn. Or pre-record the video if it's more than 10 minutes and then use a streaming app like StreamYard to actually make it happen. You want some kind of long form post where you have, maybe something that you're really passionate about and you want to share with the group. So it's a longer post. It may have a graphic or a picture of you that you could use. And then last but definitely not least, you want to have some kind of poll. And this poll is to engage with your audience. Do some market research, really find out what they're thinking so you can use it towards actually marketing your business to the folks that are really in your niche. So those are the 3 type of posts that you actually want. Now, I'm curious, what type of post do you normally post on LinkedIn? Comment below and share that with us in the comments. Now, let's talk about how often you should actually post on LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is not like the other social media platforms where you have some platforms like Instagram where you're posting maybe 2 or 3 times a day, or even Facebook when you're doing it inside of a group or on your business page. LinkedIn, you only really want to post once a day, and typically you can get away with as low as 3 times a week. And I know many of you may see LinkedIn as maybe not necessarily your major social media platform. And with that, if that's the way you are, then I would say just do it 3 times a week. Just keep it simple. And then when I show you actually how to schedule the post, it's going to make it really seamless for you to be able to get the information you need out there week prior and then be able to just roll with it every week, just posting once a week and just scheduling your posts so you can actually engage with your audience as the information is coming in. And just know that there's no particular order for the type of post that you post. So if you wanted to do a video on Monday, a long form post on Wednesday, and maybe a poll on Friday, you could do that, or you could swap it around. Maybe you want to do your post on your poll on Monday and your video on Wednesday and your long form post on Friday. You decide how you want to mix it up. I say mix it up. Just see which one gets you the most engagement and then base it off the interaction that you get, the engagement that you get from the people that are inside of your network. So again, just do it. There's no wrong or right way other than just making sure you just do it 3 times a week, once a day. Other than that, I say the sky's the limit and you just try it out to see what works for you. Okay. So before we go on into the step-by-step instruction on exactly how to schedule this post, I want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are now uploading videos Monday through Friday for your viewing pleasure, and we don't want you to miss a beat. So make sure that you subscribe. So now let's actually go through exactly how to schedule a post. I am going to share my screen with you and go on my profile so I can show you exactly what to do. All right, so I'm going to do it in two places. I'm going to do it on my personal profile and I'm going to do it on my business profile. So we'll do we'll do the business profile first. So I'm going to go here and then I will go here. It's going to take me to my business page. Okay, so we're going to start a post. I'm going to put my post in there. Make it pretty. All right, I am going to grab my document, choose a file. I'm curious, does it show that? Let me see. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in, and that's gonna be the post. Okay, and I'm gonna post it. Oh, so if I wanted to schedule the post, I would hit the schedule. I am going to set it up for 12:30. No. Yeah, I'll set it up for 12:30. And then I hit next, and then I'm gonna hit schedule. And then if I wanted to do that same thing, I'm going to go back to home and do that same thing here and put the post here. Make it look pretty. I'm going to go here. Do it as a document. So choose the document. Document here. What does no mean? And I'm going to do it. Done. And then I can schedule the post just like I did in the other one. We'll just say that, hit next, and hit schedule. Now, if I wanted to undo the scheduled post, I would hit the clock, look for scheduled posts. Come on. And here it is. And I could just delete it. I could delete it, or I could change the time here, or I could just delete, and I'm just going to delete. Okay. This would only be for my personal profile because that's where I am right now. So it's only going to show me the scheduled post for my personal profile. So I would delete that. If I wanted to go back to my business page and check out the post, because it's going to be different. This is going to be a different page. See, this is Ingafay LLC page. And this is the post that would change here. If I wanted to change the time, I could change the time here. Oh, it's only going to let me. So that's only like an hour and a half later. So I could change the time if I wanted to go back, or I can just delete it. So that's what you can do. Now, I'm also going to share this. I'm not sure if I put this in here, but I'm going to show how you can share your post to your personal profile. So I'm going to do this again. And hit done. And I'm going to post it. Okay, so now it's posted. And now here I'm going to copy the post link. I'm going to go to my home page. I'm going to post it here. It's going to give me the link. And then I am going to post. And then it asks me if I want to post it in that group, and I'm going to tell it yes. So it also allows me to do it there. And now it's inside the group. All right. And that is the step-by-step instruction for the post. But it's just as easy as that when it comes to scheduling the post. That's exactly what you do. You go to your profile, you click on that clock, and then you set the time and the date that you want to schedule it. And like I had mentioned before, the 3 type of posts, you can schedule your 3 posts in there as we speak, and then you're all done. It's that quick and easy for you to do. And then now all you have to do is just go and just engage with the folks that are engaging with your posts. Okay. Now, if you're looking for other ways on how to maximize your LinkedIn profile and really increase your visibility on LinkedIn to increase your authority, I would highly recommend that you get access to my LinkedIn webinar. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to update your profile, your banner. It gives you more insight on what kind of posts to actually put in and why you want to do the different posts. It just really helps you maximize your LinkedIn profile to get the visibility and authority that you want. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to click the link in the description. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.